Good morning. You look sleepy.
I stayed up too late.
Did you watch a movie?
No, I couldn't stop scrolling.
That's a dangerous hobby.
Tell me about it.
Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Let's grab some breakfast. Great idea. What do you want to eat?
Something cheap but tasty.
I know the perfect place.
Lead the way. Oops, I forgot my wallet.
Again? Seriously?
Don't worry, I'll pay.
You're a lifesaver. You can buy coffee tomorrow.
Deal! This food is delicious. Is this seat taken?
No, have a seat.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
It was raining 5 minutes ago.
The weather can't decide.
Just like me.
That's actually true.
What are you doing later?
I'm meeting a friend.
Sounds like fun. Want to join us?
Sure, why not? The more the merrier. You're in a good mood today.
I had extra coffee.
That explains everything.
Exactly.
Excuse me, where's the restroom?
It's around the corner.
Thanks for your help.
No problem at all. Did you finish your work?
Almost, just 5 more minutes.
You said that an hour ago.
I know.
Stop making excuses.
I'm trying.
Keep going. What's so funny?
I remembered an old joke.
Tell me. I'll take the risk.
You might laugh too hard. Here it goes. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his...
That's actually funny.
Let's do this again tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a great day.